Trails face growing climate damage, and repairs are becoming more complex and costly. Tightening budgets and rising supply costs are putting pressure on green spaces. And as screen time increases, time spent outdoors is declining. Change is needed in how we build, maintain, and steward our trails for the future. Introducing the Canadian Trail Summit, Canada's first ever gathering of trail professionals, advocates, researchers, and innovators. Happening this June in Winnipeg, Manitoba, the summit will center around the theme, Trails for a Changing World. We'll explore how to ensure that trails and the trail sector remain sustainable, inclusive, resilient, and essential for generations to come. Expect a dynamic mix of presentations, hands-on sessions, and outdoor experiences, all designed to build meaningful connections with trail sector leaders from across the country, share practical knowledge, and facilitate conversations that spark new ideas for trail management and development. Beyond the sessions, you'll experience the best of Winnipeg, vibrant culture, great food, and memorable moments alongside fellow trail sector leaders. Come be a part of shaping the future of trails in Canada. Join us in Winnipeg at the Canadian Trail Summit, where the trail sector meets the challenges of a changing world.